Hey everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius. In today's video, I'm going to show you the latest WhatsApp ban new solution 2025 that actually works. Okay, so if your screen says this account can no longer use WhatsApp, don't worry. Stay tuned till the end because I'll walk you through step by step on how to fix it permanently. Many users are facing this issue in 2025 after the WhatsApp's new policy updates. But I got the full working solution for you so you can make sure to watch this video carefully until the end and make sure to not skip any steps. So first of all, let's understand why this happens. I'm not going to fully explain why this happens, but you must learn why this happens, because if you do not learn why this happens, then your account may get banned again. So if you get your account unbanned and if it gets banned again, then there will be no way for you to recover your account. Okay, so I have already posted a separate video on why your account gets banned. So just go make sure to take a look at that video first, because in that video I have taught not only why your account gets banned but what you must do in the future also. That is very important. If you don't follow those things after your account gets unbanned, then your account would get automatically banned within the next 2 days, I guess. That's what happened to most of my subscribers. So after your account gets banned again, that is going to be really hard for me and you. If you have to explain it in short of why your account gets banned, then it's because of using modified apps like GB WhatsApp or FM WhatsApp, or sending too many messages to unknown contacts, and finally obviously violating the community guidelines and the terms of service which they have written here. The terms of service link can be found in your error screen itself. You just click on this terms of service, you are going to be navigated here. So you don't have to read through everything, but don't worry, if you just go take a look at that video, then you can just skip reading through everything. But if you don't watch my other video, then make sure to read everything. But sometimes even legitimate users get banned by mistake due to WhatsApp's new automated security system. But don't worry, I'll show you how to get your account back very easily. Now let's move on to the actual fix for WhatsApp ban issue. So let's follow the steps carefully. What I'm going to do, just long press on your WhatsApp, go to settings. This first step can only be done if you're using an Android device. Just go to storage and just click on the clear cache. But well, if you're using a modded application, then just long press here, just click on the uninstall button. Yes, you have to uninstall without checking this. You do not want your app data if you're using a modded version of WhatsApp. Well, after you have uninstalled WhatsApp, just go to Play Store, search for WhatsApp, and install WhatsApp from here. Just make sure that your WhatsApp, even if you're not uninstalling your WhatsApp, if you think your WhatsApp is an original WhatsApp, just make sure to update the WhatsApp to the latest version. Now, once you install this WhatsApp, you get this page here. Just click on these three icons over here in the side and you can see your help. Just click on this help and enter your country code. In my case, it's going to be India, and you enter your phone number which got banned. Once you enter your phone number, just message them politely saying something like, "Hello WhatsApp team, my account has been banned by mistake. I use WhatsApp only for personal communication. Kindly review and unban it." If you need this context, then do message me in the comment section. I'll be glad to reply to you. The next thing is that you have to wait for their reply. Their reply mostly takes about 24 to 48 hours. This time they will manually review your account again. First time your account would get banned by a bot. Next time the review also would have been taken care by a bot or a human, but mostly a bot. This time definitely a human would be reviewing your account. Now what you should do if the in-app method doesn't work? Well, don't worry, you have another section here, that is contacting WhatsApp through their support. But in this case you have to type a long message like this. So if I have made a separate video for this also, for this method, contacting them through this method. So if you want the video's link, I'm glad to leave it in the description and the first comment. Just go take a look at it. And if this also doesn't work, what you have to do is just go directly mail WhatsApp. That is the most efficient way which I've ever seen. But your message must be completely polite. I made a separate video for mailing them also. You can just go take a look at it. Now, how to prevent future bans in the future? Here are a few quick tips. Always use the official WhatsApp. Do not use any other modern WhatsApp. And mainly, second step is don't forward bulk messages or spam groups. Like previously, it was fine. Just I also spammed a lot. That my WhatsApp got hanged basically for 2 to 3 days. The messages would keep on sending, and I won't be able to text anyone else. But nowadays, do not do it, and avoid using automation tools or fake number apps excessively. It's okay 1 or 2 times, but don't do it. And before we continue to reaching this step, if this video is helping you so far, just hit the like button, subscribe to Protech Genius, and turn on the notifications bell icon so you never miss any new WhatsApp fix videos. Well, if you're watching this video till here, then I have a bonus method for temporary ban fix. If you're facing a temporary ban fix like a countdown timer, here's what to do. Just wait for the timer to end, uninstall the modded app, and reinstall the WhatsApp and re-verify your number. In 90% of the cases, this restores your account automatically without you needing to contact them. So that's the complete guide for fixing the WhatsApp ban problem in 2025. I hope this helped you recover your account and you also got to the same page as me. If it did, then please drop a comment below telling how I helped you. Share this video with your friends who are facing the same issue, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button for more tech fixes, WhatsApp updates, and tutorials every day. Let's meet again in the next one. Until then, stay smart, stay techy, and keep exploring with Protech Genius.